My good adjusters, how you guys doing over at Homesite? Mr. Malcolm, this is for you. We got a storm damaged shingle right here, so I'm gonna put a X on this. You can see the creasing on this shingle. To remove this shingle, we need to remove the nails on all of these shingles right here. So let's just go ahead and see exactly where the end of the shingle is at first of all, so you can mark that. Hope you guys can see the shingles how they're looking thus far. What we're gonna do, start removing these nails inside the shingle. Right now we're using a snake to remove these nails. To make sure that we aren't lifting the shingle too much. Already you can see a little bit of granule loss on this shingle right here every time I lift it. Cliff, I'm recording a repair attempt. Look you back. Everything cool? Yeah, I'm cool. That's fine with me. But yeah, I'm gonna put you right back. Sorry, Mal. Did you think you'd be doing roofing ever? Like you ever had a thought in your mind you'd be doing some shit like this?
Not for a second.
Yeah. Crazy how life turned out like that.
Yeah, man.
Doing something that you never seen yourself doing. I mean, this off top, you can see where the granule loss is starting to affect this shingle right here over top, just from the little bit of lifting we've done. Just like you see the granules starting to displace just any type of manipulation right up here as well. You can see the brittleness in the shingle, this one too. And this is just me checking to make sure that all of the nails are out of the shingle, but even there you can see where granules are starting to displace. So even hammering vibrations is going to cause more damage to these shingles with removing, replacing, tarping up, or anything like that. And you can see right now, you should have pretty much every nail out. So I should be able to pull this one shingle out. Got one more. Stop. So this is the shingle in question. You can see the granular loss on the shingle already. But before we do anything else, we're gonna deem this irreparable because we're already starting to damage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit of granular loss there too. So I'm gonna say 6. And once we go, if we had a shingle, we still are waiting on the analysis to come in, but even once we have a new shingle to place here, the vibrations alone is gonna cause damage, but lifting them again, that's just the first time lifting. We're gonna have to lift them again to be able to re-nail them. And I'm gonna show you utilizing this snake, which is the best method of re-nailing for any type of repair. More damage is gonna be caused here. I'll give also, I should have took a before photo, but I'm gonna give like a semi-before photo of how bad and severe the damage is gonna be before and after. So once again, we're gonna deem this irreparable, so I'm just gonna place the shingle, same shingle back just for informational purposes. And remember, to even get a shingle back in place, we have to before we even get a shingle back in place, we have to lift up as you can see, we got it back in place. Gotta lift to make sure that it's placed properly. Making sure that it's everything looks good. So now we are going to place the nails back. Got a nail up in here. As you can see, the snake is not allowing us to be able to place our nails properly, but we're still making sure we're not lifting over 40 degrees. Olivia, can you see the vibrations when we do like when we hammering down?
I absolutely can.
We're being careful to make sure that we keep it under 40 degrees. Oh man. Now we just making sure that we got all the nails in. And you can see all these, I'm just removing the granules that have already been displaced. And you can see, I mean, major creasing that has been done to one right here. You can see all of the creasing. Flaps very easily in the wind, very brittle. Same here, a lot of creasing, flaps very easily in the wind. Like I say, any type of just flick is causing major granule loss now. Same here, a lot of granule loss. A crease has came into place within all these shingles, except for this one right here. This one held up pretty good, to be honest with you. But I mean, to replace this one tab right here, we've damaged 1, 2, 3 more tab, individual tab, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna deem that irreparable. And I mean, we're talking about, you guys gave us 90 shingles, so imagine trying this 90 times. We're just gonna further damage the roof even more. So we'll get this sent over to you guys. Brother Malik, thank you for assisting with this claim, and we look forward to getting this homeowner situated. I'm done.